Good morning, traders. How are you? How are you? How are you? Now I was looking at EURJPY, and I really wanted to give a buy. Our first, let's say, take profit should be here around 300, and then the next one maybe around 450. But I really I have, let's say, missed this opportunity because right here the price created a support, and it was a very good opportunity for us to go into a trade around here of 150, let's say, because from here it could give me a clear direction. The thing is that it moved already, and I want to see where exactly the price is trying to go. If it's trying to head up to 300 or maybe 450, or maybe it's going to reject from here and maybe, I don't know, bounce a little bit around this area. I said this week that started from today, I will do live sessions earlier because I can see that right now, let's say, we have some moves and I really want to catch them, okay, with you. And like this, we trade more and we speak less, okay? So this is about EURJPY, and I want to see where exactly it's trying to go. Let me go also on the 15-minute. On the 15-minute, it's like playing a little bit around this area. It's like a range zone, but I'm expecting for the price to come back again around this area, maybe to retest it and then to come back up again. So if this candle, let me do it like this. So if this candle on the 30-minute, it's going to close, let's say under this area, okay, of 200. For me, it means that the price will not continue to go up, and maybe it will change direction and then it will come back down again. What did you say there, Antonio? 129, 350 short. Yes, this is one of my ideas. Let me go again on the 15, and we can have something like this. Let me see. Now we have only 7 pips. I mean, it's too little for me, you know. If you want to catch only 7 pips, then go ahead. I mean, it's oh, you said short 350. I don't understand. Short, it means that the price, it will come back down, not up. That's why I was confused. So if the price will continue to go up around this area, okay, we still have 7 pips around here, which for me it's too small, okay, right now, because also I want to give you something to trade, not less. So the price, yes, can go to that area, but let's see how the price will react. Me, I'm not in the trade. When I will be in the trade, I will tell you to break this area. This is on the 15. Let me see on the 30-minute, 1 hour. 1 hour, yes, it can go. So here it's like, it seems like the price, it's trying to create like a support. And let's say that the next 1 hour candle, if this one is gonna close higher, it means that the next one is should shoot up again. What did you say? 129, 160 price bounced long. Yes. So for not confusing, long it's for buy, okay, and short is for sell. That's why I was so confused when you said 350 short, okay. There is a possibility, so when you are in a trade, you have to how you say, ask yourself where the price can go, and you have to anticipate and to think why the price should continue to go up and not down. And I said that if this candle, if it's going to close around this area, okay, under 200, where here we have like the price created like a small resistance, for me it's like the price will continue to go down. But I said that I'm not going into a trade until the 300 where I have the line, because there are 2 less pips, okay, only 7 pips, and the risk it's higher, okay. So all the time you have to calculate how much pips you want to win and how much pips you are going to risk. In the same time, GJ is going in the same direction, it's going up, created here also on the 30-minute support, and most probably it's going to touch 696 and then higher to 753. I want to ask if somebody went into any trades right now, because like this we can discuss, we can have a chat on it. Maybe you are in a drawdown, maybe you want to learn more. Let me see also the currency strength meter, which I like to use it, and it seems like euro, it's gaining strength. Again with bound, that means that the price will continue to go up. So I told you why I was not in the trade, and I'm waiting for the next move. I said that also on the group, that I will look also for how you say, euro Swiss franc. Oh my god, and also this one, where is it? Also this one is heading off, and most probably it's going to touch 1.111,198. Okay, so this is on the 30 minutes, so this could be the first target, okay. And let's see the 1 hour. I don't understand why everything is moving without me, and the price is going up because it has to fill this week, okay. And also the candle closed above this area. It means that it will continue to go out. What did you say? No trade yet? Ah, you didn't trade. Okay, very good, because we still have opportunities to see if we are going into a trade or not. I mean, well, oh my god, this, it went like this. I have to remove it. So when I will be in a trade, I will show you, okay? But right now, nothing. I had the possibility right here, but not really. I want to check another one. This one with AUD/USD. And I really want to see how the price will react around this area, and if this is on the 4 hours, so it seems like this candle, it couldn't close lower. So let's see if the price will reject from here this candle, or the price will break that area and come back down again. Okay, this I'm trying to wait and see. Now it's like in a range area. Okay, so how many pips we have here? Let me measure. Why it's not working? We have 36 pips. It's okay if we are going into this trade, but I want to see where the price it wants to go. Okay, this is on the 30-minute. There is a possibility for the price to go first here. So I'm doing also this kind of small analysis also for those that maybe they are trying to find some trades. Okay, so I give you ideas. Maybe you want to see more. I think that somebody is asking me about USD GPY. What do you think about shorting? Well, about USDJPY, this is on the 15, 30, let me see, 1 hour and 4 hour and daily. Daily, as you can see, it's very, very, very bullish. Although it's around this area where we have a lot of rejections. Okay, so your idea would to have a short, it's good, but don't think that it could be for a long time. Right now I think it can come down to 250. Okay, somewhere around here, and if I will do it, maybe it's going around this area. I don't know, I said 250, but the price can go to around this area, somewhere here, and it may do like a retest. So if you feel confident in what you have said, and plus please give me, I mean, if you are going into a trade, this trade, okay, if you are asking me to, I will ask you back, where do you have your stop loss? I mean, it's very important to know where you will have your stop loss. Don't think that if you will see also on the 30-minute, on the 1 hour, oh come on, chart show. If you see candles, for example, on the 1 hour, a red candle, don't think that this, it means that the price will change direction. Not at all, okay? When you are, let's say, focusing on the one pair like this one, like USDJPY, and with this kind of situation, don't think about shorting it right now, because you don't have a place where to put your stop loss, okay? So usually your stop loss, you put it at the end of the weeks, okay? Or at the end of a zone. So where do you put your stop loss? Right here at the 363, here where you can say that you can have a resistance. I mean, it's not 100% sure that there you have a resistance, okay? So where? That's why I don't suggest you to go into a trade right now with USDJPY. I'm not looking at USDJPY because there is the possibility for the price to continue to go up, because if you are going on the daily, you can see that it's a very bullish candle and we are in an uptrend, not in a downtrend, okay? So we trade sell when we are in a downtrend and buy when we are in an uptrend. So I'm pretty sure that this candle will shift direction, even if you saw on the 1 hour this little candle right here, and the price will continue to go up. let's see, stop loss at 107.40. No, it's not. It's not a good idea. I mean, I don't trade like this. If you want to trade it like this, fine. But in a bullish momentum where you have all the candles bullish, blue, you cannot have a sell. I mean, I don't see any confirmations right now. You can have a pullback, of course, but it can be very small, like, I don't know, 10 pips, or but I don't really trust it. I mean, I'm looking for a buy here, or maybe I am waiting for the market to shift direction, and like this I can go into a sell. Okay, so this is one of my rules, that if I see a red candle, it doesn't mean that the price will shift direction and it's going to come back down again. Okay, so this, I think it should be available also for you, and you will see that like this you will start to lose less money. Okay, because I'm putting you to think logically, and the probability it's higher for the price to continue to go up than to go down. So all the time try to place your stop loss at the end of the weeks. In this case, you really don't have weeks, and I cannot see a big rejection for you to go into this trade. Okay, cool. I'm very happy that you understood. Okay, our beautiful EURJPY, it went where I said, and it seems like it's rejecting from this area. I said that I'm not going into this trade because what I have measured, it was around 7 pips. In my case, I should be in the trade started. Let me take my brush to show you where I could enter and to make more pips. It was around here, okay, around this area where it's, for me it looks like here the price created like a support. Here we have a support, okay, and we have a clear direction that the price will continue to go up and not down. Okay, and I was in front of the computer when this happened. So when you see this kind of moves, and when you feel that, oh, I have to go into a trade, don't do it just for the sake of being in the trade, because you'll end up losing, or maybe you'll catch two small pips. I don't know how to say. Yes, 7 pips. There are a lot of pips when you are losing a lot size of 10 maybe, or maybe 5. But when I'm pretty sure that all the people that they are now with me on this channel, you don't trade with a lot of 10. For you to be very easy to trade 7 pips, okay? I don't trade with 10. I will do it one day, but not now, okay? What did you say there? Hi, can you do an analysis on gold? Well, I will go also on gold right now. 1 second. Okay, gold. Okay, let's go to gold. Oh, this is gold. What do I think about gold? I think that the gold will reject from here. Let me do it. I hope you can see my line, and if you don't, okay, this I put it like how do I say, it's like an area which I really don't like it at all. That's why when I put these kind of boxes, okay, for me it's like I don't trade it at all. I don't like it, but my opinion is that I am pretty sure that the price will reject from this area. Let me try to put like a trend line to see if it's working. Almost, but this is on the 30-minute. So even if I'm looking here at the price has a lot of rejections right here, okay, it doesn't mean that this candle cannot reject from this area, bounce again, and then maybe it's going to break it somewhere here. Why I'm saying this? Because right now the price, it's like ranging only when I put you these two lines, okay, and the price is not doing exactly what I want, but I'm pretty sure that the price will reject from here and then to come back down again. I don't suggest you to trade and wait for the price to break this box, which you have it at 1706, and maybe you can trade it around this area, okay, but first of all you have to wait exactly for the price to give you the confirmation, okay. I'm not trading gold right now. I really don't like it. It seems like it's in a range area and it seems like it doesn't give me a clear direction where it wants to go. Although if you are going on the 1 hour, we have again a huge rejection from here, but it's a very strange area. So the possibility right now is that the next candle, because it cannot break this resistance from here. Okay, now we have a new hour starting. It seems like the price, it may continue to go down to fill this week on the 1 hour, okay, so wait for the confirmation. Okay, think I'm just waiting yet. A lot of rejection on the 4 hour too. Yes, I don't know what to say. I mean, I suggest you not to trade at all right now gold, because it can be very tricky. It can come up here, reject, and come back down. But I tell you, for me, that's why I put also this box. And also when I did a live stream 2 days ago, I said that we have like to take profits, okay. So I had to wait for gold in that case that the price will come around this area, and here it was the first take profit, and here was the second and the first take profit, and here not playing, okay, at all. So right now it seems like the price is like bouncing from here, like up and down, but in my opinion it's that because it couldn't break this area, then it should come back down again, but not too much, because as you can see here, the candles on the 1 hour, they are trying to close higher and higher, okay. So that means that at one stage the price will break this trend line and this resistance, and then will shoot up again. And why I'm saying this also, because if you are going on the 4 hour, as you said, we have a lot of rejections, and it seems like the price is creating a strong zone, okay. But I suggest you not to trade it at all gold right now. But I told you what I think it will do. It will go up in the next hours. Yes, I think the same thing. It's exactly what I said, that right now, because it couldn't break this area from here, okay, here we have a resistance, the price will play a little bit here, and then it will break this area of oh my god, sorry, of 1716, and from here it will shoot up again, okay. Let me go back to EURJPY, and it seems like on the 1 hour it closed under the resistance that I put it, but I cannot give a sell right now. I am waiting to see what the price is trying to do. I can say that it's like a little bit of mess right now, although the probability for the price to continue to go up is higher, okay, than to come back down. But we can see the price coming back down a little bit, maybe to retest this area of 211, what we have here, and then the price will continue to shoot up to 129,550. So this is what I am waiting for, okay? And I hope that the price will not break this resistance and it will not go without us. Is this a decent triangle? What do you mean? About which pair? Karim, about which pair it's a decent triangle? A gold, or I don't know what you're saying there. When you are asking questions, please don't be, how you say, I mean, I cannot read your minds, what you are trying to tell me, like which pair or what time frame or so on. So you should put the right questions, okay, for me to be able to answer to you, because you are too many on my group chat and I cannot read all your minds and what you're trying to say. So if you have any suggestions, if you saw something, if I don't know, let's see, GJ, my favorite. Let's see where it's trying to go. It's a little bit of mess. I'm pretty sure that today we will have beautiful moves. I'm pretty sure, but I'm waiting exactly to see where the price is trying to head off, because oh my god, look now, euro, it's very strong and JPY weak. It means that euro GBP, it should, I don't know why all the pairs are moving so slowly. Oh, come on. Okay, this is EURJPY. I was so sure that the price will continue to go up, and now it's like trying to create a support. Coming back to EURJPY, I want to see what is trying to do. So I said that we have the possibility for the price to come back down again to 1211 around this area, to create like a retest and maybe to head off again, okay, to break that area and to continue to go up. So if you have any questions, please ask me. So I think that on the 4 hour, if you are going to break this zone, then definitely we will continue to go up, maybe again to 130, okay? And today it's Thursday, tomorrow Friday, maybe we'll see that the market will shift direction and it will come back down again. So it's like today EURJPY, it still has the possibility for the price to continue to go up, and maybe tomorrow to see like a pullback, okay? But if you are going on the daily on EURJPY, you will see that we still have room for the price to continue to go up and to fill this week around 461, okay? And maybe where I said to 130 here. So we have this possibility. let me go on the 15. I want to see a clear breaking through this area because I really want to come into the trade. I am preparing how you say, my trader for an entry. Okay. Okay, so you said, Karim, a decent triangle in gold 1 hour. Let me go back again to gold. Okay, so you see now your question, it's you want to say that if I will put also here, I don't know, I don't trade like this. Okay, I prefer how you say, the clean, the naked price action, as I say, and I like very much to see different. Okay, I mean, I really don't care about this trend line. I put it only like this, like an information, but I'm pretty sure that the price will not continue to go up right now. Okay, so EURJPY, if it's going to break this area of 300, then it's going to continue to go up. I'm telling you from now, and I am waiting for this, and like this we can have a trade together. I like that today you ask a lot of questions. I mean, you are here with me. Maybe you like this hour, maybe you are more free, and maybe you want to trade something, I don't know. Tell me if you are in any pair, because like this we can see and map up some how you say, some pairs, and like this we can identify if we can go into a trade or not. Or maybe you are in a trade. Right now I'm not in any trades, and I am waiting the perfect scenario to go into the trade. It seems like, so we still have 14 minutes for this 1 hour candle to close, and another 4 minutes. I really want to see where this 4-minute candle it will close, and let me measure. So we have first 6 pips and then 14. Okay, so here let's say that it's better that we have double, let's say, for our entry. So if we are going into this trade, it's like double. Okay, so let's say that our first take profit should be here. Oh no, wait, I put it here, and the second should be here at 450. So I want to see where this also 15-minute and 30-minute candle will close. I'm telling you from now, if for example, if this candle cannot break this area of 300, it doesn't mean that you must have a sell. Okay, because first of all, you are in an uptrend. The second thing is that if you are going on the daily, and all the time you have to go on the daily and on the weekly, even if you go, for example, on the weekly and you see that you have these huge rejections, when you have momentum, it means that the candles will always fill the wicks. Okay, so it's like almost fill this wick at half, and there is the possibility that the price to continue to go up to 129. So for me, I'm not looking for sell, I'm looking for a buy, and I'm looking for the best entry. Let me see. You are in GBP Swiss franc and you are in long, and can you tell me please where you had your entry? Where is it? This one. because if you are in an entry on long, it's very good, but you have to tell me if, okay, this is 1 hour, no, this is 30 minutes, sorry, but it's the same thing. Your trade should stop around somewhere here of 900, okay? So you should tell me when, where you had the entry, because it's very important, okay? Although if we are going on the, let's go to the currency strength meter, this is very good, and you can have it too for those that they don't have it. It's livecharts.co.uk, and here you have the currency strength meter, and like this it can give you an orientation, okay? So in this case with the pound and the Swiss franc, it seems like the pound is stronger. It means that the price, it should continue to go up, but don't think that the price first it should hit this area of let's say maximum 129, and from here you should wait to see where the price is going. You said the entry is 1.2860. It's here. Okay, but you went it very risky and stop loss. You move it your stop loss at the break even. Okay, so if you are safe right now, it doesn't matter. I mean, you are in a winning trade. Now the price is pushing higher, and I think that don't be greedy, and if you have a decent volume, then how you say, you can close at 1.28900, what you have there. I mean, another 10 pips, I think it's enough. So you move your stop loss at the break even, which is very good, because if you don't know how to manage your trade, then you will not be able to make money, and you don't have to be greedy, first of all. And the second thing is that, I said it again and I repeat myself, you have to know how to manage your trade, okay? Let's go on the daily to see how it looks. Yes, definitely it's going to hit this area, maybe it's going to break it and to go even higher, but I suggest you to stop with your trade, because if you go with, let me see, with this line, I don't know if it's right here or around this area. Yes, definitely the price will stop around this area of 950, and then you have to wait again, because maybe the price will reject from this area, come back down, retest this zone here of 1.28080, and then the price to shoot higher again. But I think it's enough of what you have. I don't want to ask you what lot size did you using, because it's not my problem. But I suggest you not to be greedy and to close your trade, because although you knew how to manage your trade and you made already money, because you protect your trade by moving your stop loss at the break even, which is very important. So congratulations. We'll break it. Imagine how many stop losses there are on this double top. I think you should stop there and wait for the next move, because if you look again on this pair, the price is in an uptrend, so you have to look for a buy, and your entry was good, but maybe the price will reject a little bit from this area, we don't know. Plus that I know that sometimes on Friday the market is shifting and it's retracing a little bit, okay, for the next week to be again on the same level, like being again on the buy, okay? So maybe later on or tomorrow you will see like a small pullback, but again I repeat myself, don't be greedy and take what you have, okay? So it was a very good trade, congratulations. And that like this. I'm trading like this because I close all the time 50% of the trade, okay? Okay, sorry, I don't know what happened. I'll be right back. So I came back and I'm looking at EURJPY because I can see that in 5 minutes the 30-minute candle will close, and I really want to see where it wants to close, okay? Because I want to see if we can have a buy or not. And plus I don't want to force myself to have any trade. If it's going, it's going. If not, then no problem. So again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate and ask me. And for those that they are waiting to have a trade, I think we should wait more because I don't know exactly what it will happen. So we still have 3 minutes for this 30-minute candle to close, and it seems like the price is pushing higher and higher, and it's going to break this area. Let me go on the 15, and maybe the price will go in 3 minutes at the first take profit. So I don't want to force myself. It's like I'm going into a trade without having no confirmation, okay? It's just an impulse trade, okay? I can call it like this. So by the impulse I can go into a trade and let the price run, but first I want to wait for the candle to close above that area and then to have a buy. And I was talking before about the Euro Swiss franc, and it seems like the price went higher and higher. And another one, it was AUD/USD. Oh, I said that if it's going to break this area, then the price should come back down to this zone and maybe to have a sell. So this is another trade that I am waiting. Let me see how many pips do we have here. There are not so many. Okay, let's say 15 because you cannot catch all of them. But it could be a very good entry. So I am waiting also for this one and maybe to have a sell on this AUD/USD, and I am waiting another 1 minute and a half to see where the price will close, okay? And let me go back to EURJPY because it seems like the price cannot break through that area. So again, if you have questions, please ask me, and maybe you are in a trade and you want to know more information about that trade. What I'm looking for, Antonia? It's simple. I'm trying to look for a EURJPY buy and AUD/USD sell. Okay, this is what I'm looking for. Also, I'm looking for GJ to see where the price is trying to go, either up or down, or maybe to have a buy again also for this one. But it seems like the price it's pushing down right now. Let me see. So it seems like on the 30-minute EURJPY rejected that area, and you see that's why I didn't want to go into a trade. And I really want to wait to see. It's very difficult to look at so many pairs in the same time, okay? 15 pips. But it seems like it's retracing again. So I think we should wait again another, I don't know, half an hour also, or maybe 15 minutes also for EURJPY to have an entry and to have a buy, okay? Because I'm not looking for sell on EURJPY, and this one on AUD/USD. AUD/USD, we have a good opportunity, let's say, for the price to continue to go down, to retest again 0.77 500, what we have here, okay? This is on the 15. But also in the same time can be like a fake out and then the price to come back up again. And I am waiting. It wants to retrace first and then to have a sell. So this is what I'm looking for right now. Let me go back to EURJPY. You see, that's why all the time you have to wait and wait for the candles to give you the best entry and the best opportunity to have a trade. Don't force a trade and don't force EURJPY now and say I'm going now into a buy, because I'm pretty sure that the price will continue to go up. Yes, there is the possibility for the price to continue to go up. It's higher, this probability, but you have to wait for the best entry, okay? And I'm trying to avoid, how you say, for the price to be in a drawdown and then the price to go into your direction, like it happened to me, I think yesterday with, not yesterday, 2 days ago, with GJ when I had the buy, and my opinion, it was good that the price will continue to go up. But because I didn't wait exactly the perfect time, the price came back down. I was in a drawdown. I think I missed 5 pips or something like this to hit my stop loss, but the price bounced back up, and the trade, it went in profit and it hit my take profit, okay? So this I am avoiding, to see myself in the position that I can be first in a drawdown and then to be, let's say, in the green line, okay, when you have profits. So you should do the same. And now I can see that EURJPY is rejecting that area, and my God, it's very good that I have waited, because look right now what is going on. And maybe it's ranging, we don't know. Maybe it's, how you say, the price, maybe he wants to retest again this area of 200, what we have here, and then the price to bounce back up again. So we should wait for the best opportunity and to have the trade. Said you will short at 129.300. Me? I never said that EURJPY will have a short. I said about EURJPY to have a buy. And if you are not looking well at my chart, as you can see here, I placed my first take profit, and here should be the second take profit at 129.450. Okay, maybe you want to short EURJPY. I'm not shorting PY. I have only one idea of buying because we are in an uptrend. So if the price is not doing exactly what I'm thinking and what I'm looking for, that means that I should not be in the trade, and you should do the same. So I never said that the price will be in a short, and I didn't say that I am waiting for a sell and not a buy. Okay, I said that I'm waiting for a buy. And AUD, maybe you wanted to say for AUD USD, I said that I am waiting to have a short, and I am waiting for the best opportunity right here, but I am waiting for the price to go a little bit more because I really don't like this area from here. And if I will put a line, it will be easier for you to understand it. Okay, so I'm waiting for the price to break this area and then maybe to have a sell, because look right now what is going on. And that's why I don't push myself and I don't push any trades, because I don't want to be in a drawdown. I want to be in the position of winning. Okay, let me go to GJ. GJ went down, rejected that area. This is on the 30-minute. Let me see. Believe me, 90% of the time you wait. Oh no, let's do it like this. 80% of the time you wait, 10% you buy, and 10% you sell. This is how I see the things on the market. Okay, so GJ, it's rejecting from this area. It seems like here the price could do like a support, and then the next candle to shoot up, and maybe two. It will be crazy, you know, to go again to 150. Let me go on the daily and to see. I don't know what to say. Although if I can have a trade right now with GJ, it is a little bit risky. Okay. And how many pairs do we have here? There are two little pairs. Not here. You have something like 12. Yeah, the price will hit this area of 149. What is it? 149,760. Let's say around this area it will shoot up again. Okay. So there is another 5 minutes for this 15-minute candle to close, and I want to go back again to EURJPY and see what it's trying to do. You see, I was looking for so many pairs and I couldn't had a good entry on GJ. Let me see, Euro Swiss franc. It came back down, and maybe it will continue to go up again. we don't know, but I have in mind. So I am waiting EURJPY. Now I have a look again on the GJ, and I was so sorry that I was looking also for some other pairs and I didn't have time for GJ to have a look and to be in the trade, because right now it's a little bit too late, because my take profit could be right here at 760, let's say. And maybe if it's going to break this area and close above this zone, and then the price will continue to go up. Let's go to the live charts and see what do we have here. And it seems like the pound is gaining strength, and then the price will continue to go up. That means that almost all the pairs with the pound, it should continue to go up. Okay, so I am waiting for the best opportunity to enter into this trade. Euro Swiss franc. Well, about Euro Swiss franc, I told you maybe it's going to come back down again here at 200 to make the retest, and then the price to continue to go up. We don't know. So we can see this 30-minute candle coming back down. Maybe you will see another one, and then you will see that the price, it will continue to create like a support, and then the price to come back up again. So this is what I'm thinking right now. The candle it's rejecting because, yeah, maybe on the MetaTrader it shows, oh, no, I thought that this candle, it closed without any wick. But no, it has a wick. So this pair is not on my interest, but I think, and I'm pretty sure that the price, because it breaks through this area, now it's coming back down, creating like a retest, and then the price should continue to go up again. And I'm pretty sure that today we will have some nice moves on the market, okay? Now I'm looking also at GJ, and I feel so sorry that I couldn't be in the trade, and it seems like now it's retracing a little bit, and everything it's retracing right now. And I want to see on this minute how this GJ will close. So if we will have any opportunity to go into a trade, definitely we will do it. And that's why I have been on the chart so early. And also we should do it starting from today like this, to have, how you say, live sessions around, I don't know, 12:30 my time. It should be, I don't know, 5:30 p.m. Eastern time. So yes, I decided to do live sessions earlier because although I'm pretty busy with the, how you say, I'm pretty busy with the courses and everything what's going on, you know, behind the, how you say, behind the, what do you see right now, because I have a group chat, I have students, I have a lot of messages that I have to answer, I have Instagram, I have a lot of things, and I decided to do everything earlier. Plus I want to send in the morning how you say, the signals, and then to come live and to catch maybe a little bit from the New York session, and then to end my day with the courses and everything else that I have to do. Although right now I couldn't be so active, let's say, also with my sessions, because I was pretty busy, but I hope that everything will go well and we will have sessions early starting from today, okay? So if you have again other pairs that you want to look at them, please ask me, and maybe you are waiting the same thing like I do to go into a trade with me in the same time. Now GJ went up and I don't have too much room. I have only 8 pips, not much. I don't really like it. I mean, it's like I'm at the end of the road right now, right here, and I really don't like it that it went up without me. I keep my charts on the 15-minute because I think that I have told you before, the price is moving faster, and it's easier also for me to explain you, and also for those that they have questions and maybe they want to go into the charts and see what's going on, okay? Okay, so coming back on the 30-minute on the EURJPY, it seems like the price it's starting to shoot up. It's like creating a retest, and it's exactly what I told you. If you remember, I said that the price will come back down and retest again around 211, somewhere here, and then the price will come back up again. So maybe, Antonio, about this you wanted to say, but no, you said 129,300. Now it's like a big mess in my head. I mean, Antonio, he said you will short, and he said 300. So Antonio, for you to know short, it means that the price is going down, okay? So it doesn't mean a buy. You see here you have short position and you have long position. So long is for buy and short is for sell. And I think that GJ went up without me. So this pair, I have finished it with it. I don't have anything else to do because it's out of my area, let's say. But in the same time, if the price will break through this zone, and keep in mind for those that they are trading GJ, if the price is going to break and close above this zone of 700, let's say, if the price will close above 800, okay, 149, 800, then the price will continue to go up to retest 150, okay? But for a moment, the price, it's just playing right here. And it doesn't do too much right now. So also there is another 10 minutes for this 30-minute candle to close. And let me see on the 15-minute. Yes, it went beautifully, but because I was in so many pairs and explaining where it's going, that one and so on, I couldn't be able to go into a trade. And this one, AUD/USD, I was waiting for something, and this one is doing something else, and so on. That's why all the time it's very good for to wait for the price to give you the perfect confirmation before going into a trade, okay? Look for long on GJ. No, it's too late for me to be in GJ right now because I was looking for something else, and I explained it myself that I don't want it to be in trade because again 8 pips, and I don't trade with a big lot size for me to be enough. And the second thing I said that if the price will close above 149,800 around this area, you can have a buy to 150, okay, and maybe to have your stop loss around here. But right now I'm not in any trades because I couldn't find the best opportunity for me to go into a trade. And also I was explaining you about other pairs and I have missed some entries. And by the way, about EURJPY, I said that I wanted to go into a trade and I was waiting for the price to close above that area and then to have a buy, but then the price, it came back down. It seems like it's retesting this area, and maybe we have to wait another 8 minutes to see what the next candle is trying to do. And if it's not closing, let me do it a little bit bigger for you to understand. So if the price will not close under this resistance, which is, let's say, if it's becoming support, it means that the next candle should be bullish, and then we should continue to go up. And why I'm saying this, because this red candle, it's not bigger than this one, it's almost at the half, okay? So it seems like it's just like a retest, and the price should continue to go up. So I don't believe that if I see only a bearish candle, it means that the price will change direction, okay? So you should think the same too. GJ, it's very beautiful. It's one of my favorite pairs, and it went up without me, but this is life. What can I do? Because I have answered about the other pairs, and I couldn't be in this trade too, okay? So also I was looking about EURJPY, and I'm still looking. And let me go back to the currency strength meter. Look, the pound is very strong, and the euro, it's so and so. So let's see also for this one. Let me see again, AUD/USD. So if you have any questions, please ask me. And let me see where this GJ wants to close. On the 5 minute, sorry, on the 30 minute, I wanted to say that we still have 5 minutes for this 1 hour candle to close. And let's see if it's going to close higher or not. Because if it's going to close above, then we have the possibility for the next candle to continue to go up. So for those that they are on my group, don't worry, I will still look for a signal. Okay, it doesn't mean that after I finish the live stream I will not I'm not looking for signals, and definitely I will find something and I will give it to you, don't worry. But I will remember to you that also we are at the beginning of the month, and we should let a little bit the market to settle down, because as you can see, we saw that we had some big moves, and we have to wait for the market to retrace, or maybe to see that it will be not, let's say, calm, but to give us a clear direction, because right now it seems like for example GJ will go to 150, but from that point where it could go. Okay, so we need the best entries. That's why all the time you have to wait, and sometimes you can have how I say, days without trading because you don't find your best entry, or maybe today you are not trading and maybe tomorrow you will, and so on. It doesn't mean that you have to trade every day all day long, and like this, believe me, you will not become profitable, because nobody is pushing you to be in the market and to trade all the candles that you see on the screen. Okay, so try to be smart and trade less but make more money. So I prefer not to stay too much on the market. I prefer to stay maybe a few hours, okay, also because I have the business, I have to stay a little bit longer, but it doesn't mean that I should trade all the candles that I see. I'm trying to find my best entry, and in the same time I gave you also the direction, for example, for all the pairs that you have asked me, where the price may continue to go. For example, right now, EURJPY, in my mind, it's like, okay, it means that this candle, it cannot do a retest, because if it's closing under this area where I said of 200, for me, no buy. Finito with buy. So I think that today no trade for me on the live session. It can happen, don't worry. For those that they are with me for a long time, they know that when I have the possibility, I have a trade and you trade with me in the same time. But now, because I couldn't find the best opportunity, no trade, and I don't feel let's say sorry, because I had the opportunity to go also in EURJPY and GJ, but I had only 7 pips, so I'm pretty sure that you are trading with a lot size of 5, or maybe not 5, oh my god, 5, it's a lot. Lot size of 0.05 or 0.10, yes, and with 7 pips you could make only $7, something like this. So I don't think that you could be very very happy. So for those that are on my group chat, I will, after I finish the live stream, I will be there for you, and I am waiting to have a best entry, and when I will have it, I will tell it to you, okay? Because I am pretty sure that today we'll have some movement, and we can have a trade together. Let me see this one. This is 30. how can we become profitable in trading and make it full-time work? Well, I can say that for me it's a full-time work, and I can say that I'm profitable, and I can say that I have started my own company. Okay, I was profitable without the company, but because I saw that I have a strategy that it's really working, I said to share it also with some other people that they are trying to find the best opportunity to trade on the Forex market, because I can say that it's very difficult and you must have a very good strategy before placing any order. So in your case that you want to become a full-time trader, first of all, you have to be profitable. To be profitable, you have to learn what's going on the Forex market. Maybe you should take some courses, maybe, I don't know, you should learn more things about how to improve yourself, and you have to create a strategy that brings you a lot of money. So on the moment that you make money on the Forex market, saying that you can pay your bills, maybe you can buy clothes, phones, I don't know, you don't have any stress, I can say that you're profitable, and you can start to become a full-time trader. Full-time trader, it doesn't mean that you have, how do I say, you have to trade the London session, New York session, plus the when the London session is closing. I mean, you must find the best opportunity and time for you to go into a trade. And with that strategy that you will implement it, yes, you can become a full-time trader, but before you must be profitable. So if you didn't took any lessons until now, you should, because it will help you a lot. Okay, so I suggest you to learn to trade, let's say with a smaller lot size, or if you are trying to trade it on demo, don't make that bullshit and put I don't know, an account of $100,000 or maybe $50,000. Put an account of $1,000, okay, the real money that you can afford, and from that money to make money. Okay, so you should consider it a real account, and you should consider it like a business. So if you don't believe in your business, then you will not be able to succeed, and you will not be able to make money. So if you are doing this trading thing only for the money, then I'm telling you from the beginning that you can find another job, because you will end up losing money thinking that you are kings, and that you can make a lot of money and to become millionaire, but it's not like this. Okay, let me see what, oops, not this one, let me measure it. So this is 12, 15, 24. I really don't like, because the candle it closed lower than this one, but maybe the price, it did the retest right here where I have this line over here. So let's say that this one, it could be a good opportunity. Let me go. So like this, you can become a profitable full-time trader. Okay, so if you want to learn, first of all, you have to invest in yourself. And for example, I can say that I have students right now that they are profitable, and that I am very proud of them, because after the lessons that I gave them and after the strategy that I used and I presented to them, they started to trade less, to trade what I've told them to trade, and they started to create their own strategy based on what I have told them and based on my strategy. And like this, I saw that they are starting to become profitable, and I should say that I'm very proud of them. Okay, how long does it take to become a regular profitable trader? I don't know. You know, this is like depends on you. For example, if you go back when you were a kid and being in a class with 30 kids, and you could see that in that class some of them they had I don't know they had only how you say big degrees, I don't know how to call them. We had them like numbers, you know, when you were good at school we should take 10. 10 was the maximum, okay, the maximum number. So it's like at the school you cannot be number one, okay. So this, it depends on you and your how you say, if you are capable to absorb and to understand all the information, and if you can understand well everything that's going on, then you could be a very profitable trader, okay, and very fast, months, I don't know, but you have to practice all the time. So if you don't practice, it's like you do everything in vain, okay. So you should practice all the time, you should understand what's going on the market, you should wait, because as you can see, I am a profitable trader. Even sometimes I'm losing some trades, because it's normal, it's impossible not to lose trades, and who is telling you that they cannot lose trades? They are lying, okay. So you have like the market, like ups and downs. Sometimes you have a lot of good trades, and then you have like a small retracement, you can lose and then to go up again. But the thing is that you should be more profitable, okay. So if you are not profitable, then you should cut everything and you should do something else. So about trading, I'm telling you that if you don't love what you are doing, then you can choose something else, because you will not be able to make money. And you don't have to think that I am here to make money, okay. You think in the same time about this, but you should put it differently, and you have to count it in pips, not in money, because if you are counting in on the money, then you will have a pressure on your back saying that, oh, today I have to make $100, and if I'm not doing the $100, I'm dead. No, you have to do it in pips, because your brain also, it will how you say, it will understand it better, okay. So Muhammad, if you want to become a full-time trader and you want to learn more, then put your ass on working, go and have some courses, learn more, dedicate your time, and this only if you love this job, because it's a job for me, it's a job, it's a business. If not, then do something else, okay. And the second thing is that you must have money, because if you don't have, then again you will not be able to succeed, because you know very well, to grow a business you must have some money. So if you don't have money, you cannot grow that business, okay. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I can see that I don't see any trades. I'm looking although at EURJPY, and in my mind it's still like, let me do it. So I'm not in a trade. For those that I will be in a trade on the, how you say, on my group chat, I will tell it to you, okay. So let's say that this could be one-to-one trade, okay. This is one of my options right now, and I'm thinking that it could still be a buy from here. Also the price, it's like bouncing from here, and I think that we have the opportunity for the price to continue to go up. I'm not in a trade. When I will be on the trade, also for those that they are already on my group, I will tell you, okay? So I will finish my live session, and for those that they are watching me, see you in the group chat, and maybe we can catch some pips together, okay? Because I'm pretty sure that the market will move, okay? So thank you so much for watching. If you want to learn more about me, then you can go to my website at bloomfxsignals.com, and there you have all the information about me, about the courses, about we have also a robot, Atom, EA, about the signals and so on. All the information, you have it there. So give a like and share if you like this stream, and